nung keychain mo na yan?
I think so.
Bakit meron si Lilet? Di ba batch niyo lang ni Constantino ang meron yan?
I remember Constantino gave it to you, even though you weren't our batchmate.
Before you transferred school, even though he's still with...
Oh, please, Panky. Kaka-reconnect ko lang sa university because of you. I'm not ready to talk to her.
So where's yours?
Nasa baby ko. Nasa baby bagyo ni Lily. So maaaring dala rin ni na Emily at ng anak ko kasama nung lumubog yung barko.
Ay! Yan. Sinabihan ka lang na itatapon ka ni. Bilis mo namang bumitaw. Ikaw na nga lang yung remembrance ko sa nanay ko na nang iwan sa akin eh. Sabi nga ni Tinang, kailangan kong yakapin yung masasakit na parte ng pagkatao ko.
Di ba custom made yan? Bakit kaya meron si Lilet nito? Tingin mo ba, Spanky, dahil custom made yan, meron ding naka-engrave dun sa likod ng kay Lilet?
Well, the only connection I can see is that maybe it's from Constantino.
Constantino? What's the connection?
Didn't you know Lilet is the scholar of Lorena de Leon?
Alam mo ba, dahil sa sinabi mong yan, pwede kang kasuhan under Article 358 of the Revised Penal Code?
So, scholar pala ni Lorena si Lilet.
Maybe that's where she got the keychain. Maybe Constantino gave it to her.
Poor girl. Hindi niya alam kung gaano kasama ang tao.